Hi, this is Tanya from Lingocom, and today I'm going to tell you how you can use Chat GPT to help you make some progress with your writing. For the purpose of this task, I decided to use a writing sample from one of the multiple IELTS websites. Sometimes IELTS websites offer samples of 5.5 essays, 6.5 essays. So I'm just going to use one of those essays from this website to see how ChatGPT reacts um, to a certain prompt. So how can it help evaluate the essay? So let's take on the question and the essay. Here's the question. Being a celebrity can bring benefits and problems at the same time. To what extent do you agree on this statement? And here's the response. I'm just going to copy um, the whole task, and uh, prompt ChatGPT to give me some feedback on the task. Here's the prompt that I'm going to write. Please um, evaluate the essay below. So as you can see, ChatGPT immediately gives me the overall evaluation on the structure of the essay and on the sentence structure of the essay with some examples. Um, and also it talks about the essay's like stronger and weaker arguments. And finally, it gives kind of an overall evaluation. The essay lacks a clear thesis statement and conclusion. The candidate could benefit from a stronger structure that introduces the main points, provides a more cohesive and developed argument. Yeah, but this isn't specific enough. Let's say that I'm a student and I would like to improve my essay. um, I need more specific examples. So I'll write another prompt. Um, Make a list of all mistakes in a sentence structure in the above. Yes. And here it is. It offers me a list of suggestions where, and explains what is wrong exactly. Incomplete sentence, incorrect tense, incorrect subject verb agreement, um, incomplete sentence, etc., etc. Um, I would like to get even more information. Um, so now I'm just going to ask uh, ChatGPT to suggest um, examples that would make this essay um, more um, let's say what. So here ChatGPT offers some ideas how to support certain claims, how to expand certain ideas, how to further develop certain arguments, and how to support certain claims. And we can go on and on. Of course, all these things are not, 100% perfect, and there are other options. But I think all in all, it's a nice tool to, to for self-training and to um, have a clearer understanding of your own mistakes. Of course, nothing can replace a really good teacher, but I do think that using some available and free tools to work on your writing, to have a chance like this is just great. So good luck with your test and enjoy writing.